Hey everyone, today we'll be doing another Leetcode 205 isomorphic strings, an easy one. Given two strings, S and T determine if they are isomorphic. Two string S and T are isomorphic if the character in S can be replaced to get T. All occurrences of a character must be replaced with another character while preserving the order of the characters. No two characters may map to the same characters. A character. So this is the key point here. No two characters may map to same character. No two characters may map to same character. Just keep in mind. But a character may map to itself with okay. So we are given by mapping they means you are going to use a hash map, dictionary, hash table you can say, and so we'll be making two hash maps, and what we will be doing is for the hash map of, let me explain, like for egg, and also we have add. So we'll be making two hash maps, and for the hash map one, which will be of the egg s, this is the s string egg. So egg itself will be holding the keys and add will be the values. So what does it mean? The hash map will look like this. uh, G is holding D and G is again holding D. This is it. And now if we make another hash map which will be just for our second string, the things will be opposite. Add will be the keys and egg will be the character in egg will be the values. So A will be holding E and D will be holding G and D will again hold G. So this will return true because everything is fine. Everything in this whole situation is fine. We are passing our base conditions like no two characters may map to the same character and a character may map to itself. The main problem is this: no two characters may map to the same character. This is just the same. Now it were if it was like this would have been an error. This is the same thing, like this will return true like you can say in the example 1. But now if we see the example 2, foo and bar, if you understand it, what how the things are working here, you probably guess why is this returning false. So we'll be making another map for I will just code it down. I think you guys know what is happening here is just O will be holding A and O will be holding R and B will be holding F. A will be holding A will be holding O and R. R will be holding to O. So here we are failing the base condition like two characters may not map to the same character like this. So that's why it is returning false. So we have to check if the character is present in our map and the value of that character is equal to the value of the character in the correspondence. You can say parallel. You can yes, parallel is uh, more understandable. It's a parallel character. So that's it. Now just make hash maps and do all the coding stuff. So we'll be making a map one. Map one will be map of S, which will be the S string, and a map two. Making a dictionary. This is how you make a map for I in range of, you can take one of these strings and put them in range their lengths basically, because the length will be the same. So now we have to check if, but before checking we will make some variables for our own understanding. A and B. A will be a holding address, oh, the value at index S, and B will be 40. So if A is present in our map 1 and also map 1 at A shall not be equal to B. So basically we are just checking that if A is in a map, obviously if A is in a map, then obviously then we are going to check its value, what it is. And if it is not equal to B, then we shall just return false in that case, because it should be equal to B. So now we will do the same for map second. and map to for map to B, and we're just doing the same thing here. So here is 1. After doing this, we can just return false because we have found a character which is two characters which are mapping to the same character to the same characters. So just return false, false, and if not, we will just do this like swapping. You can not swapping, just like putting taking the value from a b and putting it back to the hash map of 1, and taking the value from hash map uh, 2 and putting it back to uh, 1 to yes to 2, obviously to 2. So map 2 will be b, map 2, the index b shall be equal to a, and if we are done with all of this and we didn't return false, it means there are no, you can say, two characters that are mapping to the same character to the yes, two characters mapping to the same character, and that's it. This is just fine, I think, and we will return true. This works, and that's it.